Equipment timeout. Yeah, using our heads. And his dog is our witness. We have got our 13E Sprite race engine on our test stand here. Without too much ado, we seem to have fuel. We set the timing at about 10 degrees by ear. Let's see what happens. Of course, we're going to eyeball around carefully because we want to make sure nothing funny happens. And usually that's not going to be funny, ha-ha. Let's see. I don't see anything dripping out. Anyone else? One of the things we wanted to see about this race starter. It does seem to wobble itself out of engagement. Oh yeah, that's not good. Well, that might suffice. Slight more advance. We haven't tightened it too much. Yeah, that starter is ugly, but I think we do see a leak at our somewhat troublesome gauge, but usually with a nice copper washer. Well, we have oil pressure. We have an eager and willing engine once it gets past that crunchy starter. It looked like a really high-tech, high-quality starter, lightweight little thing. But wow, you could see it almost as though its own internal spline loses engagement. We'll see if we have another one to put on here. Yeah, it's one of these things. Yeah, you never know when the unexpected. That's why we test these. And usually we're pretty well set up to manage whatever happens. We just kind of stop, take a look. I'd say everything looks really good with the exception of our oil gauge and that rather horrible sounding starter. We'll address those two things and come back for more.